Alright, haven't had this in quite a while. It's an old school plane. It's called Buzzard bombshell. And the design is from the 50s. But I think this was built in the 70s. She's pretty old. She's got more patches than original material on it. Had an old Enya 15 in it. Took it out, put a power system out of a V900 in it. Should be radical. But no, she's a nice slow flyer. A bit windy today. I'm going to see what we can do with it. I think the CG is right, can't remember. Oh, how about that? Alrighty. He's up. He's a funny looking bird, that's for sure. She's a tad tail heavy. I had to hold downward pressure on it. But she seems to be flying alright. It's another one like old school. The yellow and red old school I had. You don't want to fly it fast. It won't fly fast very well. See, I let go of the stick and she climbs. Ah, then she sags, okay. Oh, look at it. That big old wing on it is just incredible. Look at that thing. What a big nasty. I think that's what we're going to call this one, the big nasty. Oh, she got unlimited vertical. Check that out. She glides good. Oh, there's a bird way, way, way up there. Just gliding. Look at that. Who would have thought that? Ooh, we got thermal. Brought the Radian and the Tory. I didn't think I could thermal this. Wow, look at that. She's just, I haven't heard the throttle yet. Since the top of that vertical spike. Bird's way up though. Oh, there's seagulls right here. It glides forever. Still haven't used any power. Power's on. Wow. Tail heavy. I should put a camera on it. Just the slightest bit of forward pressure. I got a 4S 3300 UME pack in it with 120C. Like this thing I could probably keep it up forever. I'm just gliding again. I like this old bird. Nice and slow. Look at that. say this is the slowest plane I have. Was the truck. This one I think you land due to crashing or boredom, because it's going to fly for so long. Whoa, that was interesting. I don't know why that was. Wind got under the wing, I guess, and tried tipping it. There's no gyro or anything on this. This thing just flies forever. Like, I'm not even quarter throttle. When I go over to... Oh, I don't have a beep on this. Flying with the seagulls. Wow, this thing's pretty cool. Seagull checking it out. Wind's picking up. This thing's more fun as a glider than a power plane. This would be an awesome first plane, literally. Loop. Oh, the wild blue yonder. Throttle's off again. With the shape of the wing, you get wind underneath it and wants to tip it. Bee buzzing around me. Let's check that out. I'm not going to make it back. No tail wheel, just a skid. But that was old school Buzzard bombshell. Totally brain farted on the name. No, it's an awesome plane. I like it. We'll see more, definitely. I put some mechanical down trim into it, but besides that, everything was good. Should run another battery. Taxi back to the truck. Oh, that. I was trying to use the rudder to turn. Still trying to use the rudder to turn. Oh well, it's not going to go back. Tail skid sucks. Alright. Well, there we go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Oh, my 4,350th video. Sweet, eh? Alright. Go back in my catalog. A lot of videos. Alright. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.